So we're going to take a quick look at how easy Heirloom makes microservices, in this case with Amazon Lambda and Alexa. Before we do that, let's quickly recap the application. Here is our account demo, replatformed to Java using Heirloom and deployed as a servlet under Tomcat. We can enter a customer account and get back their details. Okay, switching back to our development environment, we can use our facade generator to automatically create a standard Java facade to a piece of business logic. In this case, the retrieval of that customer record. The facade allows us to call that original code in a clean, simple way as seen here, providing the required inputs and gathering the resulting outputs. We take this code and the original business logic replatformed to Java, bundle it as a Java jar file, and deploy it as a standard Amazon Lambda layer, callable by Lambda services. Here we have a service that makes use of the layer, along with our runtime and the database driver we need. This service will respond to an Alexa application, so let's look at that application definition. Here it is. It supports asking for a balance or a limit for the customer record. We can test it with Amazon's built-in test tools for Alexa applications. Or using a real Alexa device.
Alexa, open account demo.
Welcome to the account demo. You can ask for limit or balance.
What is my balance?
Your account balance is $76,543.21.
The Alexa app calls the pure microservice, which makes use of that simple facade to call complex legacy logic in a clean, reusable way. Heirloom's powerful platform and the agility it brings enables you to create microservices based on complex business rules with no underlying code or logic changes.